To do the bench press, lie down on the bench, create an arch on the lower back, place your feet flat on the floor, grab the barbell, then retract your shoulders back so that your chest is pushing out, and keep it that way throughout the movement. You want to retract your shoulders back so that the chest is pushing out. Then unrack the bar, go down on your chest, push it back up. Go down on the chest, push it back up. Now, one thing to remember while doing this movement is when you're bringing the bar down, you do not want to flare out your elbows completely. This is not good for the shoulders. In fact, what you want to do is bring down your elbows in such a way so that it is about 25 to 35 degrees away from your body. So once again, lie down on the bench, place your feet flat on the floor, create that lower back arch, grab the bar, lift the bar, retract the back, like so, then lower the bar to your chest and push it up. Do not flare out the elbows completely, and that's how you do the bench.